Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Unity and Visual Studios. These are the two applications we need in order to create our game. So what is Unity? Unity is a game engine. A game engine is a software development environment designed for people to create games. The core functionality provided by a game engine includes rendering engine for 2D and 3D graphics, a physics engine for collision detection and response, scripting for writing your own game logic, sound, animation, AI, networking, memory management, etc. All this in a single package so that you can create your games easily and effectively. So in order to download Unity, just type Unity in your search engine and the first link that shows up on the page will be the link to Unity's site. Just click on the download under it and it will take you to the downloads page, and by accepting the terms you will be able to download Unity Hub. Now Unity Hub is not Unity game engine. It is an application provided by Unity Technology so that you can manage your different Unity installations and projects from a single app. So after installing Unity Hub, just open it and you'll see a page similar to this. Now since you're opening it for the first time, you won't have anything in your projects tab. Just click on the installs. As you can see, I have 3 versions of Unity installed on my system. So it is showing 3 versions of Unity in the installed tab. Now before we install a new version of Unity, let me just show you where these versions are installed. Now if you click on this gear icon, here you can edit the installation path of Unity editors. And after editing the installation path, you can go back to the installs tab and click on add button to add a new version of Unity. Now you can see the latest official release of Unity is 2019.3.12 F1, but the version installed on my system is 2019.3.2 F1. Now this game will be created in 2019.3.2 F1, but all the things we're going to do in this series will work fine in this latest version of Unity. So if you want, you can just download the latest version by clicking on the next. And here you can see all the different platforms for which you can build your game. In our case, we're going to build our game for desktop environment. And since by default Unity supports building for desktop environment, we do not need to install any additional platforms. And as for Visual Studio community, we're going to download it from their website, so don't bother checking this. But if you want, you can download the documentation and language packs. And after that, you can just hit done to download it. But if you want to install the same version as me, just click on this download archive link and it will take you to the download archive page, and here you can download the version of Unity which you want, and that is Unity 2019.3.2. and if you are a Windows user, just click on downloads when drop down and select Unity installer, and if you are a Mac user, just click on downloads Mac drop down and click on Unity installer here. After installing this version from here, you need to do one more thing. You need to add that version to the Unity Hub so that you can manage that version from inside the Unity Hub. So for that, you need to click on this locate button and just locate the version where you installed it. After that, it will be added to the Unity Hub and you will be able to manage it from inside the Unity Hub. Now before we download Visual Studio, we need to know what Visual Studio is. Visual Studio is an IDE. The IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and an IDE normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. Now you can use any other IDE if you want, like IntelliJ, Eclipse, NetBeans, or you can even use a text editor like Notepad++ or Sublime Text. It doesn't matter which IDE or text editor you use. I'm going to show you how you can integrate it into Unity. So let's download Visual Studios. Now for downloading Visual Studio, you need to type Visual Studio in your search engine, and the first link that will show up on the page will be a link to Visual Studio site. Now click on download underneath it. Now here you can see there are 3 versions of Visual Studio available. We need to download the community version, so click on the free download button underneath community. Since I have already downloaded it, I do not need to download it again. So after installing it, you will see a page similar to this. Now in the available tab, you will have three options. I have two because I have already installed the community version. So you will have three options. Just click on the install next to community version. And after that, you will be taken to this page. Now in the workloads tab under the gaming section, make sure you check game development with Unity. And you don't need to check these two since they are required for desktop development with C# and C++. Just make sure you check on game development with Unity under gaming section and just click on the install button, which will be here for you. For me it's modify because I have already installed the Visual Studio. So go ahead and install it.